Hi all. I saw this position in Facebook and most of players haven't figured out the correct answer. I think if you need to become a good chess player, you have to improve your analytical techniques, because the major reason for that this kind of situations comes at the end of the game. So probably you don't have sufficient time to spend on this kind of position. You may there should be a rush on time. So you have to, if you are not a fast thinker or fast calculator, definitely you won't be able to end up with the good results. So what I want to show you is how you should calculate this kind of positions, and how you can easily figure out with using simple techniques without wasting your energy. Okay, we'll come into the position. Here we can clearly see the black is defending the rook a4 threat, and king is simply trapped into the a file. b8 square is under threat by both bishop and rook, and rook covers the whole b file, and black has the defensive moves rook a7. So white simply can't give a check in rook a4, because rook a4, rook a2, a7, right? So here we will see, basically rook covers the b file, and pawn is attacking into the b5 square, and what we need to is we have a bishop in dark square. We can give a threat to this diagonal. So we have threat to this square. We'll put a red arrow, and we can simply see that we can cover these three squares. We'll forget about the a7 square. So we can clearly see the answer once rook goes to the b8, and once king come to the a6. If we can push the king to the a6, we can simply get a space on this square. Okay, we'll see. First move is rook b8 check. There are no more moves. Bishop can check d4 in a7. Only move is king a6. Now we can see both squares are covered by pawn and bishop, so you can simply play rook a8. And hope you have enjoyed the position. If you want to improve your analytical strength, you may subscribe our channel. I have added several lessons on improve your chess skills, tactics, as well as gambits, endgame theories, and so far. So you may subscribe our channel, and you will be able to see this the analytical ways of this kind video positions. Thank you.